What is good, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking the Lexus IS350 to a little nighttime car meet. We're gonna look at some cool cars, hopefully see some cars ripping it out of the meet, and you know, all in all, just have a good time. If y'all do enjoy this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate it a lot. And yeah, let's get into some driving in the Lexus IS350. Oh my god, I just scraped the shit out of my car. Y'all, we're currently pulling up to the meet. Oh my god, there's a fucking bumperless Lambo at the gas station. Sweet, this is gonna be a good meet. All right, y'all. Yeah, hey, so we're pulling up. We'll pull in, and then yeah. Hey, just cut to the cars. Cut to the cars. Holy shit! Oh my god. Oh, what's up? All right, y'all. We made it to the meet. There's a bunch of cars here today. It's like actually insane. It's packed out here, so we're gonna go take a look at everything. Bunch of cool stuff. I love these JDM cars right here, so we're gonna start with these. The R34 Stagio wagon. We got a Mitsubishi right here. This thing is nice too. I love this. Right here next to it we have this Evo rally car. Look at it. And you got all the lights, all the bells and whistles on this thing. It's beautiful. Next to that car, R34 GTR. Beautiful. This is such an amazing lineup right here, as me who loves the JDM cars, so absolutely amazing to see. We have an absolutely amazing AMG. Oh my god, bro, this thing is so sick. These wheels, especially the HREs, man. Woo. Oh my goodness. Right next to it, one of my favorite sports sedans of all time, GSF with a carbon hood. Oh my. This is a beautiful spec, man. I love this blue. Ultrasonic blue on a GSF is the best color. We got not one, but two Supras, both amazingly built. Really like this blue one. Has some pretty clean wheels. Oh my gosh, those wheels are insane, bro. And the big wing on the back, which I do like a lot. We got this Supra in a little satin silver with the apexes. I like this one a lot too. This one's a little more clean than this one, but this one is a lot more interesting, if you get what I mean. You're picking up what I'm putting down. We got an absolutely insane build right here. Lamborghini Huracan twin turbo. Oh my goodness, dude. Huge beadlocks on the front and the back, front and back. Oh my goodness, brother. Holy shit, dude. That is insane, man. I would love to take a ride in a car like this. I've never been in something this fast, but definitely would be amazing. Then we got my absolute dream car. GT4 RS. I believe this is Guards Red. I love it. It's so nice. Favorite car ever of all time, the GT4 RS, bro. Hopefully one day I can afford one of these. If y'all subscribe and like, it'll help me afford one of these because I want to get monetized. W sellout. All right, right here we got two of technically the same cars. We got Supra and Supra with extra steps. Both of these do have a 2JZ with a big turbo in it, of course. We got IS300 though with it. Oh my god, bro, these things are so sick. And then right next to it, of course, you got the Mark IV Supra, carbon hood, work wheels, and the headlight delete. Oh my gosh, bro, what a combo. Oh my gosh, bro. This is some OG eliminate shit right here. Woo. Oh my god, dude. This is my favorite car here. Wow. That thing is sweet. Yeah, that shit is so hard. Another Supra pulling in. What a car, bro. What a car.
Bro got the CTS brakes, bro. Look at that.
All right, y'all, we got this. Okay. Goddamn. All right, back to what I was saying. We have a little G chassis M4, satin black, and yeah, we're gonna go talk to the owner. So 3, 2, 1, let's go.
This right here, my friend, is a meth tank.
Oh shit!
Yeah, that's a sleeper for sure.
You're doing meth in the car?
900 horse.
Holy
After I put fucking meth in it, I'm at 900 horse.
Got fireworks at the meet.
Oh yeah, that's the distraction.
Who is coming, bro? They ain't coming. Oh shit, you were right, bro. It was to distract us. The state trooper just pulled up as it ended.
Hey, yeah, I'm telling you, that's great.
All right, y'all, we're back in the Lexus, and we are gonna be heading out of this meet. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.